Yeah, this is saget planted here. This is what we call mito, sometimes miro, which is also planted here. And this is what we call roselle. It's a herb. Those others, mito and saget, those are what we call indigenous vegetables. This one is a herb. Another indigenous vegetable, amaranthus, or basically known as terere. These are the avocado. You can see this one, and we are going to harvest this one between uh, uh, February and also March. So if you look at these ones, you will be able now to understand that during that time we shall be harvesting, it will be very big and the best quality and the best size that we need to sell to our companies.